Hey guys, today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Reverso context app. So all you have to do, so you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on photo profile here. Then it's going to enter with you here to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just come here to occupation here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here can you search, and here can you select this here of any of this here on your reverse context app. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.